Welcome. Today we celebrate the incredible accomplishments of the NIH community over the last year. And while things may look a little different, our gratitude is the same. The NIH Directors Awards recognize superior performance or special efforts significantly beyond regular duty requirements and directly related to fulfilling the mission of the National Institutes of Health. I'm delighted to recognize the NCATS staff who won the Directors Awards for their incredible work this year. This year's awards repeatedly demonstrate one of NCATS' strategic principles, which is collaboration. Teamwork is essential to our goal of bringing more treatments to more people more quickly. The first award is for scientific collaboration. Joni, can you tell us about the Scientific and Medical Award?
Oh, absolutely. Thank you, Chris. It's truly an honor to be able to celebrate the achievements of so many hardworking NCATS staff and their contributions to the NIH mission. The efforts of the Therapeutic Development Branch in our Division of Preclinical Innovations and our intramural program in the last year have been truly outstanding. Their sustained efforts and dedication culminated in an extraordinary milestone in 2019. And that was the successful filing or clearance of 10 investigational new drug applications to the FDA. This achievement of 10 INDs in just 1 year is unprecedented in the drug development field. They've supported the evaluation of new and exciting drug candidates in patients across common and rare diseases. From the outset, this tight-knit team contributed superior skills and leadership across the full cycle of project management to assay development, to toxicology and safety pharmacology and everything in between. Additionally, the team formed close collaborations and partnerships with external investigators and domain experts in each of these therapeutic areas. They were from academia, biotechnology companies, and also across the NIH campus. These partnerships were critical to the success of these INDs. For their exceptional effort, dedication, and extraordinary achievement in translating these research findings into new clinical drug candidates, we recognize the following: Asaf Alamardinov, James Craddock, posthumously, Shari Jones Haugebrook, Wenwei Huang, Hak Sung Jin, Elizabeth Ottinger, Philip Sanderson, Gregory Tawa, Pramod Tursay, Xin Xu, and Hui Zhang.
Wow, truly a tremendous effort by all the staff in the Therapeutic Development Branch. It seems that collaboration surely was critical to that branch's remarkable success in the last year. Speaking of tremendous team efforts, NCATS has an administrative award as well. Keith, can you tell us about that award?
Thanks, Chris. What a perfect segue to our next award. But before I tell you more, let me echo your sentiments on how honored we are to work with such dedicated, talented staff. An all-volunteer group of 9 deputy executive officers and IC principal administrative officers began meeting on a bi-weekly basis to review and consider changes to the Extramural Administrative Management Council, EAMC, charter. This was part of an effort to shift EAMC from a top-down, agenda-driven leadership style to a more community-driven, multidisciplinary approach. The group revised the charter, which was unanimously adopted and reflected an evolution and rebranding of the EAMC into a new, more inclusive administrative community, the I-Community of Administrative Partners, also known as ICAP. To the EAMC Charter Review Committee for extraordinary leadership, strategy, and initiative in creating the I-Community of Administrative Partners to improve administrative operations across NIH, we recognize Louis Chaporis, Thomas Dushney, Kimberly Hazel, Christy Hill, Deborah Key, Lisa Portnoy, Randy Redmond, Brian Reed, Sarah Scharf, AJ Schuler, Tovan Duong Tran, and Amy Trenkle.
Wow, that illustrates so well the team science approach that we employ at NCATS. And it's worth noting that this award demonstrates that approach's importance in the administrative arena as well as the scientific arena. Thank you to that group for their vision and guidance over the last year plus it took to conceive of and roll out the ICAP. Keith, I think you have another award for us to share in the technical clerical category.
Correct, Chris. Over the past 2.5 years, the NCATS acquisition team has performed to a standard that far exceeds the status quo, even though the team was short a staff member, essentially 25% of its workforce. During the same period, NCATS grew and workload demands increased. Despite all this, the purchasing agents remained a high-performing group and exceeded the overall NIH purchase card compliance rating by 10%. With everything they do, they have no qualms about stopping and assisting with getting a last-minute item or registration processed. The team worked together to share the increasing workload, as well as partner with their NCATS customers. The dedication of these 3 individuals and their commitment to the NCATS and NIH missions is unwavering. For performing over and above expectations, while consistently displaying exceptional customer service, we recognize Karen Elmore, Rhonda Hernandez-Lopez, and Robert McFarland.
Amazing work, truly exceptional dedication to the NCATS mission. Keith, as you mentioned, we have grown in size over the last few years, and our purchasing demands have increased significantly and seemingly relentlessly. So Karen and Rhonda and Robert, thank you for all of your amazing work to meet the ever-evolving and growing needs of our organization. Next, we would like to recognize a recipient of the mentoring category. Mentoring represents a different kind of collaboration, one where both partners learn from and find value in the relationship. Joni, please tell us about Manghang Shah, the NCATS mentor being recognized today.
Thank you, Chris. Manghang Shah is a group leader of systems pharmacology and the toxicology in the 21st century program, which we affectionately call Tox 21. The Tox 21 program is a collaboration among NCATS, NIEHS, the Environmental Protection Agency, and the Food and Drug Administration. It aims to develop methods to quickly and efficiently test whether certain chemical compounds may lead to negative health effects. Manghang has a deep and profound knowledge of toxicology and provides incomparable guidance and support throughout all complex scientific and technological challenges faced by staff, students, and fellows in the lab. Manghang has mentored numerous high school, undergraduate, and graduate students, as well as post-bac and postdoc fellows throughout her tenure at NCATS. And there is no doubt in my mind that she has positively impacted the lives of each fellow and student she has mentored. While Manghang provides expertise and knowledge to her mentees, she is equally excited about collaborating with and learning from her mentees. And it's this understanding that mentorship is bidirectional that makes her so successful. So for exemplary performance while demonstrating significant leadership, skill, and ability in serving as a mentor, we recognize Manghang Shah.
Thank you, Joni, and thank you, Manghang. Throughout your many years at NCATS, you have made a tremendous difference to the Tox 21 program and to members of your team. Your passion for toxicology and mentoring young fellows has encouraged many to pursue careers in science.
And Chris, we would also like to take a moment to thank NCATS staff recognized in awards sponsored by other institutes and centers. Andrew Kelly is a member of the team being recognized by NEI for its contributions to extraordinary initiative and leadership in carrying out activities to improve NIH property program operations and benefit the entire NIH environment. In addition, Ronnie Kahn and Tim Page have been recognized by NIAID as members of the NIH Electronic Reviewer Support Site, or ERSS team. And that is for development of an innovative and robust solution for review of R&D contract proposals electronically across the NIH. So thank you to NEI and NIAID for recognizing Andy, Ronnie, and Tim.
Thank you, Joni and Keith, for helping me to recognize these truly outstanding efforts. These awardees are exceptional examples of what everyone at NCATS does every day, working together to advance our life-saving mission. Thank you all.